XRMUSD. This is, I know that XRMUSD is a sort of a cryptocurrency that since gold, I think gold, sometimes gold, crypto, Bitcoin, if you try to check, they have similar movements with the metals and this crypto. So I will give some forecast until year end, or even for the next quarter of 2020 to the XRMUSD. Okay, guys. If we will check the monthly for the XRMUSD here, okay, we will make some top-down analysis for this cryptocurrency coins. So, guys, okay, this is as we see the monthly. It seems that during here, this one, as you can see this for the whole month, uh, the prices here, it goes upward, then down. This is the entry price up for that month, then down again here. Then so it seems that this month, oh, as you can see, it's like a big 2G. So now the current price of the XRMUSD, if we will try to check to the weekly, yes, it's the weekly for the XRMUSD. Okay, this is the XRMUSD. Okay, guys. Okay, since the last this is the yes, this is the start of the week, Monday. But if we check the previous week of USD, this is the last week wherein there's a strong uh, movement of from the buyers. This is the one. This is the so for the last week, XRMUSD from this price here, here, up, down, again up. So if we will see the trace of the traces of the week of the buyers uh, more dominant than seller. Okay, so this is the for the week. This is only the group of sellers, more buyers. But if we will check the daily for the XRMUSD, that's here. So for me, XRMUSD now in the daily is below the 200 moving averages. And then this is only a sort of forecast, and it's depend on you. But for me, for the uh, for the next few days or even week, okay, guys, my bias for the weekly for the XRMUSD is on bearish. This is a bearish bias which you have to observe risk management while trading. Don't be in this with the corrections of the upward correction, because as I've said, this is this strong 200 moving average wherein the prices will find hard to break this strong. This is a dynamic resistance. This is a dynamic resistance wherein very hard to break. If it may break, but it may result to a false breakout. It may not. It will not continue. If I will project a line here, this one here, maybe the prices will go there, but you have to be careful. It may snap back, huh? Because for the whole week, the trading week is on consolidation. Yes, there is a small volume. It may not, the XRMUSD will not the prices will not go higher, as maybe because as I've said, crypto and gold has similar movement. And if I will proceed to weekly, to month, to weekly, for the whole week ahead, huh? This one I will check the plan. Yeah. Okay. So still, as you can see that line, still a forming a final line. So another XRM is on consolidation for the whole week, and then there is a tendency that the bias will become bearish. So you have to, if I were you, trading again this instrument, this current, this crypto is not easy. It's like gold. There is a strong movement. So with some movements that me, if you will be overwhelmed by trading engaged in multiple trading tendency, again your account will be wiped out. You can commit a massive losses because you have no reference, you have no advance, you have no outlook for that crypto, and then don't be fooled with those advertising, promoting, buy more. As long as you cannot establish a strong position, you cannot see that buy. Because for me, huh, if you will believe, for me, this XRMUSD and other until year end, if you can only encounter upward movements still, as I've said, and the phases of trading, there is a contraction phase, there is a distribution phase or expansion phase until trending phase. The phase is still on construction phase, and there are some distribution, but we are not yet in trending phase. Okay, overall, if we will check the weekly, the prices is still above 200 AMA. Okay, maybe you say that that is very strong indicators that it will bring the prices uh, goes higher, explode. But maybe there is an explosion will happen. But year end, this quarter, still the price is in contraction phase. And there is also the tendency that uh, there is also a tendency uh, that this this instrument or this crypto, okay, this crypto, well, okay, check. This crypto, but for me, maybe until year in or first quarter, I have some. I'm not a Nostradamus. I am not a fortune teller, but based on the Macnex secret weapons, I never find any indication that there is an explosion upward may happen in the future. Based on the weekly, 1 month is 4 weeks, and this month is almost 1 week. So December. So year end, there's some for me. The bias is bearish, and the upward is only a correction. So there, I'm based on the fundamentals. They're saying that it's the time to invest, to buy more. For me, It's better for me to trade only scalping or swing trading. I will only invest, position, add more if it is an upward or buy I if the this instrument metals crypto will position the they can establish a strong level of support or strong level of resistance before I will engage in another. That's why even local stocks still because this is the effect of the pandemic. We are not yet in the recovery, fully recovery period. That's why even in stock you cannot say because in local stock I'm not yet focused. I will check the local stock if before the election is coming on the first quarter of 2022 is about to. I prepared my I took my capital on the sideline and then uh, a preparation if that for that if there is an indication that go because you cannot say that buy now and then invest later because we are not yet on the announcement that we are already fully recovered and the strong resistance that the price is trying now to penetrate is we I have secret weapon that once this current prices will on the level that the price is already we are confident that this may continue to pierce through that resistance, then I will not hesitate to engage, pull out my reserve uh, capital to invest any once this strong level of resistance will be broken. I will even any stocks, blue chips or penny stocks, even if it is garbage stocks, I will trade because everything will follow. It is depending because the market is the leading indicator of the as I've said market status is the leading indicator of the economic status of a certain maybe this is a pandemic, it's an endemic or any emic. So for me, back to XRMUSD, it's not yet time. Keep on check the MacNext channel because I will give update every time. Small sometimes for signals, but I will not give short term as hourly because of the late on the uploading of videos. But this is only a short tips by XRMUBC every as this week. If you show any signs of bearishness, buy, sell XRMUSD. Don't attempt to buy XRMUSD for this week. You know the past movement of this instrument of this crypto. For me, the weekly bias is bearish side. Oh, it's the as I've said, it may go higher, breaking this 200 MA, but I will consider that breakout is a false breakout if ever it will happen for a daily. That's why if you trade buy or bullish, engage in bullish, be cautious. Okay? Be cautious in your risk management and then use manual stop loss. If you trade upward for the XRMUSD, use manual stop loss. That's my advice. And then if you think that it will massively it will drop, close. But for me, it's better to ride with the ride on with the tide. Why swimming against the tide? It's very it is only applicable for the expert. Diba? As I've said, trend is your trend. The trend is your friend.
So that is this. This is the you have to control your emotions, the greediness, too much expectation, but lack of preparation. Because short knowledge is very dangerous. You are very hot every time there is an one movement. Okay, okay, bye, 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 bye. No, for me, it's better to wait a very nice position, stable position before you will engage. So, guys, that's for the XRMusd. Even if you, as I've said, if you will find another signals, for me, there is no other signal for XRMusd for this week. It is a very bias for this week. Every time there is a reliable, any hanging man or any reliable bearish sign of candle, sell, and then take profit every pivot point. Okay, so that's all for the XRMUSD, and I hope trade safe and trade at your own risk. This is only a short of preference. Once again, this is a disclosure. I am not a fortune teller. I am not a forecaster. I am not Nostradamus, but I am only relying. I am only reading what is the chart tells about. Okay, so thank you. That's for all for guys. To help me to make this channel expand through subscription. Uh, that's only return I want to uh, from you because something because how could I continue if my channel is still that's why based on your observation with my analysis if you are not if you are not what's that contented if you are not convinced with my presentation then it's only I can use this only as sort of reference compared to other analysts. And then, if you have fundamentals, then check with my analysis. If it will coincide, then maybe. Oh, yeah, 2, 3, 4, 5 hits is better than one. So it's all the sort of analysis. Because every time there is a big events that will happen, there's a reversal, but that will not. If, whatever the trend will continue. That's only a part of with some movement. It's only a part of the uh, after contractions are a part of the distribution. That's, that's not a part the trending phase of a market. If that is the trend, it really goes with the trend. Any uh, any opposite reaction is only uh, that's only the result of the any temporary negative or events that may happen in a certain area. Okay, so that's all for XRM USD.